Welcome back to our channel. With the holiday season in full swing, it's time to think beyond the living room and kitchen when it comes to decorating. Today, we're sharing 20 surprisingly festive Christmas bathroom decor ideas that will transform your bathroom into a winter wonderland. From simple touches to stunning displays, let's dive in. Number 1. Layered Mirror Garland. This idea adds instant holiday flair by draping garlands with varying textures, think faux greenery, twinkling lights, and even beads, over your bathroom mirror. The reflective surface will amplify the holiday spirit, creating a dazzling focal point that's perfect for those festive selfies. Number 2. Modern Christmas Bathroom. You can keep it stylish while incorporating holiday cheer by choosing contemporary decor. Use sleek lines and minimalistic decor, such as a small potted tree or a stylish wreath, to maintain a sophisticated look while still celebrating the season. Number 3. Warm Lighting. Nothing says welcome like warm lighting. Incorporate soft, warm-tone lights to create a relaxing ambience in your bathroom. Use fairy lights along the edges of the bathtub, or add candles in festive holders around the sink area. This simple addition sets the perfect mood for a winter soak. Number 4. Whites, woods, and greens. Embrace the beauty of nature with whites, woods, and greens. A serene palette of whites and natural woods paired with fresh greens creates a calming yet festive atmosphere. Consider wooden trays for displaying toiletries, white towels with festive patterns, and lush greenery for a fresh touch. Number 5. Velvet Ribbons. Add a touch of luxury with velvet ribbons. Use rich-colored velvet ribbons to tie around towel racks, shower curtains, or even jars filled with bath salts. This soft texture brings warmth and elegance to your bathroom decor, perfect for the holiday season. Number 6. Greens and Pine Cones. Bring the outdoors in with greens and pine cones. Create a simple yet beautiful display by placing sprigs of evergreen alongside pine cones in a decorative bowl. This rustic arrangement adds a cozy, woodland feel to your bathroom. Number 7. Gingerbread Houses. Capture the joy of the season with gingerbread houses. These delightful decorations can sit on your vanity or shelves, adding a fun and whimsical touch. Choose mini versions for an adorable display that's sure to bring smiles to everyone who enters. Number 8. Faux Greens in a Vase. For a low-maintenance option, consider faux greens in a vase. This idea allows you to add festive foliage without worrying about upkeep. Choose high-quality faux plants that mimic the look of real greens for an evergreen centerpiece that lasts all season long. Number 9. Lighted Window Wreath. Add charm to your bathroom with a lighted window wreath. Hang a wreath adorned with lights in your bathroom window for a festive touch that welcomes the holiday spirit both inside and outside your home. Number 10. Trio of Trees. Create a festive forest with a trio of trees. Arrange 3 mini Christmas trees of varying heights on your bathroom countertop or shelf. Decorate them with colorful ornaments and fairy lights for a cheerful and inviting display. Number 11. Faux Pine Swag. Enhance your bathroom decor with a faux pine swag. Drape a beautifully crafted faux pine swag over your towel rack or cabinet door for a touch of elegance and holiday charm that's easy to achieve. Number 12. Hang a lighted garland. This versatile decor piece can be draped over mirrors or around the bathtub for a soft glow that elevates your holiday ambience. Choose a garland that fits your decor style, whether it's rustic or modern. Number 13. Bathtub Lighting. Take your bathtub lighting up a notch by placing waterproof LED lights around the edge of your tub. This creates a magical, spa-like atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day of holiday festivities. Number 14. Door Wreath. Adorn your bathroom door with a small, festive wreath that complements your overall decor. This simple addition adds an inviting touch that greets everyone who enters. Number 15. Pot of Poinsettias. These classic holiday plants bring life to your bathroom and are available in various sizes. Place them near the bathtub or on the vanity for a cheerful holiday touch. Number 16. Vanity Tree Ornaments. Spruce up your vanity with vanity tree ornaments. Set up a small decorative tree and hang mini ornaments that reflect your personality or theme. This playful display adds a personal touch to your holiday decor. Number 17. Hang up some snowflakes. For a whimsical touch, hang up some snowflakes. Use paper or fabric snowflakes to create a winter wonderland effect in your bathroom. Hang them from the ceiling or light fixture for an enchanting ambience. Number 18. Eucalyptus branch. This beautiful plant not only looks stunning but also adds a fresh, calming scent to your bathroom. Place it in a chic vase for a simple yet sophisticated decor piece. Number 19. Tray of pine cones. Arrange pine cones, maybe even some ornaments, in a decorative tray on your bathroom countertop. This rustic centerpiece adds warmth and a touch of nature to your holiday decor. Number 20. Towel rack wreath. Lastly, don't overlook your towel rack wreath. Hang a small, festive wreath on your towel rack to tie your holiday decor together. This charming detail enhances the overall aesthetic and is an easy way to incorporate the festive spirit. There you have it, 20 surprisingly festive Christmas bathroom decor ideas to try this season. We hope these creative ideas inspire you to add a little holiday cheer to your bathroom. Remember, it's the small details that can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more holiday inspiration. Happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.